Hey guys, so I got my very first BOXY CHARM box today, and I wanted to unbox it with you guys. So I had been looking at this for a while, and my friend, Louis Vuitton coffee lover, she kind of got me onto this. So I will pop her link down for her channel in the description box so you guys can check her out. She's amazing. She's got some awesome videos. She's kind of the one who got me onto a whole bunch of other stuff, but so here it is here. I haven't looked at it yet. This is actually good timing because I was about to go to Sephora and get some other makeup. So the way that this works, this is like a mystery box, and I will put the link down below so you can check it out. So you basically go on and you kind of pick what things that you're looking for in the beauty kind of area. And I think I chose like a mixture of things. So it can be makeup or skin products or body products, things like that. So let's see what they sent me. Oh, it's only $25 a month, and you get way more value than that in the boxes. So I am filming downstairs in my kitchen right now. So if my kids come by or whatever, it's a Saturday. I tried to get them to go do something else. My husband's away doing something for work at the moment. So just, you know, disclaimer, that might happen. All right, so here we go. So you open up like this. This is what it looks like here. Really nice packaging, I have to say. Okay, so first thing on top is this little card that I guess tells you what's in the box. I have to kind of figure out what this is. There's some bubble wrap on top. Okay, first thing is an eyeshadow palette by Violet Voz Olive You Forever. I love different eyeshadow palettes. I don't wear a whole bunch of makeup, so but I do wear eye stuff. I kind of, especially with COVID, because that's the only thing they see is your eyes. So even though you really don't need to put makeup on because you're wearing a mask 98% of the time, I still do. You know, you like to kind of dress up a little bit. And the eyeshadow is something I always do. Ooh, these are pretty. So when you're picking what kind of things you want, you can pick the different kind of color schemes that you're into. So this is what they sent me. So this is actually, whoopsie. This is actually really nice. So I'm more of kind of a neutral person, but I do like purples and things like that as well. So there's some shimmer ones in there. There's some matte ones in there as well. Wow, I can't wait to try this out. I've already done my makeup for today. It may not look like it, but I have. But I'm definitely gonna have to try these out. There's a little mirror at the top too, which is kind of cool. So that's the first thing, some eyeshadow. Next thing is Iconic from London, Iconic London. This is a face palette, it says. So this is interesting. Okay, so these are, I think, let's say blushes or bronzes. So I don't do brushes and bronzes and contouring. I've never been able to figure that out. Even though I was in dance for all those years, I just used to do my stage makeup and just regular makeup. So I think that's what that is. So I'll have to kind of look into what I have to do with that more. But so those are the colors that they sent. Very, very pretty. Again, another mirror at the top. So some kind of shinier and then matte ones as well. You can see that. So that's that one. And it's a bubble wrap. My daughter's gonna wanna pop that later, I betcha. Okay, some interesting things down here. Okay, so this is a oil-free gel moisturizer by Pharmacy Daily Greens. I've never heard of any of these companies. This is great. This is really exciting. I love my mystery boxes. I get my Stitch Fix every month for my kids, myself, my boys, my girls. Everybody gets a Stitch Fix box. So, and a Yumi Twins. Those are the kind of two mystery boxes we get. But this actually, oil-free gel moisturizer. Ooh. I use Ronan & Fields things for my skin, the Redefine regimen, and I have used that for about 2 or 3 years now, 3 years probably. And I love that. I think that works the best for me. But this Daily Greens, this actually, you know, I'm all for trying different things. So this looks kind of cool. Let me have a look on the inside so I can show you guys what that looks like. Okay, so it is kind of like a gel. You can see that. I'm not sure how my camera is doing with the recording. It's kind of funny. Like it looks good when I'm recording it, and then when I upload it, it looks terrible. So I'm on my recording with my phone right now, so hopefully that it looks okay for you guys. All right, there's something else here. So this is eyeliner. Fabulous, because I was actually going to go buy some eyeliner. This is by Dragon Duo, and I think it looks like it's black. Let me have a look. Yeah, so it's a black kind of pen eyeliner. This is cool. And then this looks like it's a pencil. Oh no, it's like a crayon. So it's like a crayon. So there's two things inside the one box. So that's pretty cool. And then what's next? Oh, Glow Lip Mask by Apple and Balm. Or Boom or Baum or whatever that is. So this is a glow lip thing. Okay, so let me try. I mean, I have some stuff on right now, but okay, so that's what it looks like. And it's got a little thing on the top here. Okay. So on my finger, kind of looks like this. It's a mask. I don't know. I think it's got a bit of color to it. So let me just see really quick what it says on here. Vegan, no mineral oil, no paraffins, no phthalates, no gluten, with shea butter, apricot, jojoba, rosehip oils, green apple and pineapple extracts, hypoallergenic, non-comedogenic, hydration and glow. That's really nice. Oh, this is awesome. I really like this one. Feels nice. Okay, last thing. Avant Hydrolonic Marigold Glycol. Oh, what is this? Anti-Nutra Revive. So hyaluronic acid rejuvenating micellar water. I don't know what this is. So it's got hydronic acid, aims to penetrate deeply into the skin to hydrate, instantly helps to remove the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. That's always a must. Brazil nut, multiple sources of antioxidants, vitamin E, vitamin B. Brazil nut extract is renowned for providing the richest source of selenium, an antioxidant mineral. Ooh, okay, sure, I'll give that a go. That looks really cool. All right, so that's everything that was in my box. So yeah, I'm looking forward to trying everything here actually. Eyeshadows, and this is a really good mixture of stuff because I was kind of worried they just sent all of the same kind of thing. But yeah, this is really cool. She was right. Tiffany was right. This is awesome. So, oh, I love how this says Hello Charmers on the box. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that. If you have any questions about any of this stuff, pop it down and I'll see if I can answer it for you. Or if you'd like me to try any of these on, like do a video where I try them on. That's not usually my thing on my channel, but I'm happy to branch out and try anything at this point. So yeah, thanks for watching and have a great weekend and I'll see you next time. Bye.